How can I locate my lost AirPods using the Find My feature?
Hello and welcome. Today we're tackling an issue we've all faced, misplaced AirPods. But don't worry, Apple has you covered. In this video, we're going to guide you on how to locate your lost AirPods using the Find My feature on your iPhone or iPad.
What is the Find My feature?
Before we dive into the instructions, let's understand what the Find My feature is. This is an incredibly handy tool provided by Apple. It helps you locate your lost Apple devices, including your AirPods. It uses the device's GPS to show its location on a map.
Is your device compatible?
Before starting, ensure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad via Bluetooth. The Find My feature works with AirPods Pro, AirPods first generation or later, and AirPods Max.
How to set up Find My feature?
1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Select Find My. 4. Make sure the Find My iPhone toggle is on. This allows the system to find your connected devices, including your AirPods.
How to use Find My to locate AirPods?
1. Open the Find My app. 2. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. 3. Look for your AirPods in the list and tap on them. 4. The map will show you the location of your AirPods. If they're nearby, you can make them play a sound to help you find them. Note, if your AirPods are out of battery, offline, or out of range, the app will show their last known location. However, you won't be able to play a sound. That's all you need to know about locating your lost AirPods using the Find My feature. It's a simple yet powerful tool provided by Apple to save the day. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. So the next time you can't find your AirPods, remember, the solution is right in your pocket.